Good morning, computer scientists. It's Mrs. Vandermissen. Happy Monday. Welcome to class. So this week, I am actually a student as well as a teacher. So I am off-site at some very specialized engineering control system training that actually is going to help a lot with some things we're working on in our class, and I'm going to share some of that with you when I get back. I want to provide video introductions each day, though, while I am off-site, so that you have a sense of what I'm expecting and what's going on for each day. Let's take a look at our usual weekly calendar here below. So today is day 5, and you have the Unit 9 Lab 1, which is the Inheritance and Composition Lab that you've been working on for the last several days. Today is our turn-in for that. I have seen those labs running for the most of you. When I get back, I will take a good look at the final running product. But the thing that I want you to turn in today by midnight, along with your usual commented code, is a screenshot of the applet while it is running. Or Alexander, I think you may be working on a console app. I'd like to have a screenshot of the console instead of the applet. Just go ahead and do a Shift-Control print screen, and then paste that into a Word document, and then go ahead and save that, and then you can upload it with the PDF of your commented code so I get a good look at where you ended up with the software. Okay, I'll hop over to Schoology and show you that turn in just a second. I wanted to note for you that we are out of class both on Tuesday and on Friday. And then on Wednesday, we're going to do an activity, private instance variables practice activity, before we start the free response quiz and the sample questions. The sub will have the key for that, and we'll talk more about that on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we're going to do our test prep exercises. There'll be something a little extra with that. Again, we'll talk about that on Thursday. Oh, you may be wanting to know, this is lunch block. What lunch are we going to take? So we are going to go ahead and take our usual second lunch, which should run from 12 noon until 12:35 today. I think you are all far enough along in your code that there's no reason to take one of the other lunches. So go ahead and take lunch between 12 and 12:35, and then head back into class to finish up your lab and your screenshots. And then in Schoology, you can see on the sidebar that this is our usual turn-in for Unit 9, Lab 1, Composition and Inheritance. The only extra thing that I'm looking for is the screenshot of your code. Have a great day, and I will talk with you tomorrow.